Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video you'll see where I'm going to put the finishing touches on this Murphy bed that I built a little while ago. We'll just do basic simple stuff like painting, trimming out the exterior of the bed, putting a little paint on, make it look nice, and we make a few little modifications along the way. Hang tight, show you what we do. Stay with the grain, try not to let it drip. Watch, look, dripping off down here. We're gonna have to make a couple different passes, but this is just first coat. So We sanded and put 2 coats of paint on the trim pieces out in the shop. We brought them in and put them on with a brad nailer. I want to tell you what ended up working best for me is on the 2 outside edges, the 2 vertical pieces on the right and the left of the bed. They started out being 3-inch wide pieces of trim board. I ended up having to cut them exactly down the center, make them 1.5 inches, 1.25 wide, and then I had to tack nail the 2 pieces to look like there wasn't a seam there. I tried to get them as close as I could. I nailed one of the pieces to the bottom of the bed there, and then I nailed the other piece to the vertical upright 3/4 inch plywood that supports the bookshelves there. Had to do that so that way it would hinge and come down, and I didn't have any trim sticking out around the bed whenever I put the bed down. Okay, I finished it up by adding these extra strips here. That's a wrap on it. That's probably all I'm going to do to it. I think it turned out pretty good. I appreciate you watching. Stick around, see what we get into next.